All right, now here's some real news. Apple Pencil 3 is coming alongside the new iPad Pro at the event next week. And this is huge news for Willie Doo. Willie Doo, go ahead and explain.
For artists, I would say.
That's a hell of an...
He's not wrong.
He's like, God damn it, Lou, don't put me here again. Yeah, I said Willie Doo because he's been known to sketch a thing or two, although he's really slacking lately.
Yeah.
He's been like moving to a new house, setting everything up. Sorry, I'm setting everything up. You know, I got a lot going on here. I got a dog and I'm at the grocery store. And so there's less art getting done.
Sure, yeah.
But apparently you didn't hear about the big NFT boom, right?
No.
Yeah. You should put some of your old stuff on there, Will.
Sure.
Okay.
Give it a shot.
I might send you a few ETH for that.
Yeah, definitely.
Anyway, yeah, I guess this is for artists. I guess artists are the ones looking. I don't know what's left, what they're going to do in a new pencil, how much improvement. I mean, the latest one is fantastic. The Apple Pencil 2. It's one of these weird categories where they keep selling the Apple Pencil 1 because it's the only thing that works on the older hardware. Then they have the Apple Pencil 2. They put the flat edge. There's magnets. You're slapping them together.
Mm-hmm.
All of a sudden, you're using a pen, Soul. But what do they do for a version 3? How do you improve it? The current one is so amazing. The current Apple Pencil lineup was last updated in 2018. Or is it one of these things where they change the pencil in such a fashion that when the new iPad Pro comes out, you got to add it to cart? You see that?
Maybe different colors.
Little cart add-on.
Well, like what technology could they add?
More precision, more levels of pressure sensitivity.
What was that? 2048 now?
Yeah, no,
Pressure sensitivity?
did they list it there? Pixel perfect perfection. Magically pair.
I
On the
think it
go.
might be colors.
Well, you could do a picture like that.
Yeah.
Right?
In like a million years.
I remember Willie Doo designed the first Unbox Therapy.
Yeah,
way
man.
back
This
in the
guy,
day.
he's been doing... Don't get him started because he's going to start talking about web design and the fact that he's done everything in the world.
Oh, okay.
That he's
Yeah.
basically Forrest Gump.
You know what I will say though? Remember when we shot an earlier video about the Apple car? And the concept of it, like how it would look like if I drew it?
Go on.
I did draw it. I took some time.
Ooh. Wow.
I didn't show it yet, but I will.
Wow.
I'll bring it up next episode and I'll present it.
Easy.
Jeez.
What?
What did you draw it on, Will?
Just a pencil.
Like on paper?
Yeah.
Oh.
You're going to drop something like this on us?
Wow.
Well, you're talking about drawing and pencils,
You've been quietly preparing for this moment in the background?
Yeah, that's my moment.
I'm excited. I'm excited for multiple reasons. One of them is that it's on paper. Pencil and paper.
Yeah, you got to go old school,
I'm shocked and appalled.
That-
That
You're appalled. Why are you appalled?
that you haven't let us in on this sooner. That you've been quietly mocking up the Apple car.
He's
Well,
up
it was
all
an
night in his
afternoon,
basement
and
sketching.
you just reminded me because of the Apple Pencil.
This is incredible. This is one of the biggest developments in Blue Later history.
I'll bring it up.
We just created the winning design for the Apple car,
Sure, yeah.
and Willie Doo's going to debut it on the next episode.
Yeah,
This is why we do this show.
Yeah.
This is for the number of years and clips, and this is what it's all about. The moment that Willie Doo fixes everything that's wrong with car design.
well, I mean,
The moment that Willie Doo designs the best-selling car of all time and sends it for free of charge, in an envelope to Mr. Tim Cook.
sure. I would say it would look similar to Homer Simpson's drawing. But I'm not
Perfect.
going to give it all away.
Okay, all right. We got to wait to see next episode. Anyway, so supposedly, just like everything else you're going to get from Apple at this next event, you got to get a new version of the Pencil. I mean, I guess this will be Pencil 3. They're supposedly doing AirPods 3. It's a lot of threes.
Mm-hmm.
We're in the
And-
third generation, I guess.
Yeah.
Of everything.
Yeah. So we'll wait. Yeah.